How to make Rednote account. Let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is download the Rednote app. So launch your Play Store or App Store. Then go ahead and search for the app Rednote. Once app appears, install it. Once completion of its installation process, launch it. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find the option of Me. Click on it. Check in for the option I have read and agreed to the following policies and click on Other login methods. You'll be prompted to use your phone number or your Apple ID. You can select the option of phone number. Now, click on this drop down, select your country, then type in your phone number. Once you type in your phone number, click on Login. With that, you will be receiving code in the phone number that you have just entered. So type in that code and click on Login. With that, your account will be created. In case you are not receiving the code, what you can do is you can use this option Apple ID. Just click on it, click on Sign Up. Your Face ID will be enabled and you will be logged in. You won't need to provide any information as all the information will be extracted from your Apple ID. Once you create your account, now you can bind your phone number. For that, click on three bars, navigate to the option settings. Click on account security, click on mobile number. Now, here type in your phone number. Ensure you are providing the correct phone number. Click on Get Code, you will be receiving the code. In case you are not receiving the code, what you can do is open a control center, enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. Then you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With these, you're gonna get the code. Now you can type in that code and click on link. With that, your phone number will be linked. So this way you can easily make a Rednote account and also fix the issue of not sending code. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.